All right, so we're out here this morning with Jonathan Walker. He's got his bucket truck. He's already got started. We're gonna do a complete removal on these 2 trees. We've got his Mahindra tractor with a grapple bucket. Let's see what Jonathan's got going on. All right, so there's Jonathan's bucket truck. This is his first job with this bucket truck. Working good so far. So we're gonna take that tree completely down. And that tree completely down and haul everything off.
I'm gonna take y'all up in the bucket truck with me. My name is Jonathan Walker. Folks know me as Johnny, but we're here on the job site here in Golden Springs, which is Anniston, Alabama. What we have here is over there a brush pile caught on fire and burned a couple of she sheds on the neighbor's property, both neighbors. Ended up burning a total of 3 sheds and killing trees. Removed that one earlier today, and this one, half of it died. We'll go up a little bit higher. So half that tree died, the other half is alive. The reason why we're taking these down is landowner, you know, is of course worried about the fence getting messed up. And so what we have is I removed part of these already. I had to reposition the truck. But this bucket truck down here was over a little bit to get the other tree. But anyway, what we have right there is a dogwood, flowering dogwood, that the homeowners would like to save as much as possible. So I'm going to be removing these limbs, and of course this side as well, and being able to put it where we need to go. I'll check in with you a little bit with the saw. Always in these jobs that I do, especially working with heights, I want to talk about God's beauty from these. I mean, look at that. That right there, I don't know how to zoom. That is Cheehaw Mountain, just south of us by about 12-15 miles or so. Maybe not that far, but yeah, it's really pretty, especially when you work with heights. We have this limb here, and of course we got the fence down below, and I'm going to do the spring cut on each one of those leaders. No, it's not clean and pretty, but stuff works, so I'm going to spring cut that one down as earlier mentioned and missed that fence. And with that leader, I'm wanting it to hang up in that limb right there, and as it glides down, falls, it'll land more at the base of the tree versus the fence. dogwood. I want to take a minute to tell you about whether it's a rumor, the truth, or anyway, as the legend goes, that the dogwood is cursed, and it'll never be big. That's why they're always small. You'll never see one bigger than a volleyball at the most. But it used to be a big tree, big timber, and that is the wood that they used to crucify Jesus on. And that's why it's never will be a size to make wood out of to do that again, because there's only one. He only come to earth once. He'll come again a second time. But anyway, if you look at the flowers in the spring, there's the tips of crimson red on the petals, and that is signified the blood of Christ. But yeah, that's a pretty cool little thing. I would go to a great extent to save a dogwood tree. Sometimes you have little hang-ups. No worries at all. The reason why I bring that handsaw with me is for reasons such as that.
All right, well, that pretty much wraps this one up. We got a load of wood to haul to the house and got everything cleaned up, but I'm gonna let Jonathan walk around and kind of show you how we're leaving the place.
So right here is, you probably wonder why these logs are left here. The homeowner wanted, the stump goes up under the fence there, and the homeowner wanted the stump left and the logs left there because of that dog keeps getting in her backyard and she's tired of that, so we blocked that one off. So here we took this down. Homeowner did not want the stumps ground, she just wants them to rot. But as you can see, the dogwood is unscathed. It's all nice and neat, exactly the way she wants it.
All right, well, I appreciate y'all watching. We'll catch y'all next time.